Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Infinix phone guys phone Bluetooth scanning guys, how can we turn off it. Friends, we want to off guys Infinix phone guys phone Bluetooth scanning. So friends, how to off today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So friends, open your phone setting to off guys your Bluetooth scanning guys. After on phone setting guys, on guys phone search bar and guys type here guys Bluetooth setting guys. As we will click on Bluetooth setting guys, scanning setting. Friends, you can see Bluetooth scanning guys. We will tap here. Friends, you can see Bluetooth scanning is on. All apps and device guys, you can see all allow apps and services to scan for nearby device at any time. Friends, you don't want to use, you can turn off from here. Then guys, your Bluetooth scanning will off in your Infinix phone device. So friends, you cannot use guys your Infinix phone Bluetooth scanning setting guys. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to turn off Infinix phone Bluetooth scanning settings. So bye guys, we will meet on next video.